Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand how the end conditions in extrude boss base function. So let's start. This is the SolidWorks interface, user interface, and I have made two models here and one sketch on. This is the one model I have sketched. This is the one model at a 60 mm length, 50 mm width, and the height of 40 and draft angle is 25 degree. Another object I have made a circular and 40 mm dia, and this one height up to this, and another this plane at a 150 mm from here, from this plane, from front plane from here, and a sketch I have made here. Okay, now we will understand how the end condition in extrude base space will work. I have made a sketch on this plane, this plane at a distance of 55. Okay, this is a plane, this is a sketch. This is a sketch of 25 mm length at this one. So I extrude base. In the earlier exercise, I have explained all the from conditions: sketch plane, surface plane, vertex, and offset. Video. I will give the video I button in this exercise. Okay, this is the from conditions I have discussed earlier exercise. Okay, now I will discuss all the end condition in extrude boss base, blind, through wall, up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body and mid plane. This one. Okay, I have made a sketch on this. Firstly, I will discuss blind conditions, end conditions. Blind means you can give any dimension, 26. Okay, from here you can reverse the direction, this one. Okay, or you can take from here, this one. You can move here to up to here. Whatever length you required, you can give in blind conditions. This is the end conditions. Okay, and you can okay it. Now I am editing it. Another condition is through wall. In through wall, the extrusion will take place. Extrusion will cross the end body. Extrusion will cross the end body. If suppose I this one, this, and this, but there is no extrusion you can take from here. This one, editing extrusion. It in a through wall, it takes place. It cross the end body. This is the through wall condition. Okay. This one, if I hit the right button, you will see extrusion will cross the last body. This one, again edit it. Now third condition is up to next. Up to next means whatever next body comes, it will shake and extrusion will take place up to that. If I okay it, and it will take the end shape on according to that body. Okay, edit it. This is the next condition. Next conditions. Okay. Next is the up to vertex. Vertex are these points, corner point 1, 2, 3, 4. Extrusion will start from this plane and up to vertex means this. If I select the vertex here, this one, extrusion will take place in the vertex line drawn from the vertex. Extrusion will take place in this one. You will see here in this way. This is the vertex option here. Next is the up to surface. Up to surface means suppose I take this surface. This will take the shape of this body. Okay, and I hit right button. This one. Edit it. Suppose I take this surface. So, and this one. This take the shape of this body, surface. and extrusion taking place up to this end condition. One more thing I will tell you, if I merge weld, this is a merge weld. If I merge it and this one, you will see there is one body. There is one body here. This is a one body here, complete one body merged. Suppose I edit it and I take unmerged body. Okay, extrusion is taking place up to this surface. So you will see there are three bodies here. 1, 2, and 3. These are three bodies, separate the body. I have kept unmerged. Okay. Now edit it. Next option is the offset from surface. Offset from the surface. This is very important thing, command in the extrude boss base in the end condition. Suppose I take offset from surface. Extrusion will take place and from the surface in the offset direction. Suppose I take this offset. I take this offset, this phase. How much you offset want? Suppose 20 mm, this one. It means gap between this phase and this is 20 mm. This is the offset. Okay. Suppose offset, I clear it, and suppose I take offset from this one. Now the offset is taking place from this circular object at a distance to 20. You can change the distance here from 20, 10, this one. I unclick this one, click this object in this way. From here you can reverse the direction. This one and this. Suppose I take this dimension. Offset from surface. You can give the dimension from here. 5 mm offset. This one. This is the 5 mm. This offset is from here. This one. Next is the up to body. Up to body. Up to body means suppose you take this body. It means up to surface. If I select the up to body or surface, that is the same option. Boss base, this body I am selecting this in this way. Editing, suppose I select this body, I uncheck it. Firstly I uncheck it and then up to body, this body I said. So extrusion will take place up to this one. Okay. Now delete it and this one. Now mid plane. Mid planes means suppose I take the dimension 10 mm. It means extrusion is taking place, this one. Extrusion is taking place, suppose this is 22 mm dimension. It means this 22 is the equal, but 11 mm on one side, 11 mm on the other. This total extrusion is 22 mm, but this is equally divided from this sketch, this one and this one. This is the extrusion. In this way, you can use all the way. Suppose one more thing, suppose you want to up to body you use option. Suppose you use this body, this one, and keep it unmerged. It means you will see there are the three bodies, one body, this body, and this body. There are three bodies here. Okay, now and I check, I clear and I use this is up to this body and merge. If I keep merge, you will see this is the one body only. This is completely merged one, this one. In this way we can use this one. Suppose you unmerge it, merge it, okay, but you want to merge, you uncheck this one. Now you select only this body, one body, this one. Select this one, up to body, and this surface in this way. I am keeping merge, but I am selecting this selected body, this one. So this is not merge this with this one. I think you have followed this thing. In this section, there are more options. I am unchecked this one, auto select, and selected bodies mean the body with which you want to merge. I am merging this. Okay. But you have to select the surface also. Selected body, first you select the body and then surface. This one. This one. You will see two bodies, this one and this one. This is merged with this one, but this is not merged. I think you have followed this thing. I think you have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. And thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Thank you.